of shadows and pain, but my spirit never bow, me still call your name. Babylon try to break us, but we stand tall still, cause the power of the people stronger than their will. Mama cry when the soldier come at night, them burn down the village, still the right. But from the ashes the lion still roar, we not turn back, we fighting some more. Oh mama say son, keep your faith alive, even when the storm come, you must strive. Plant the seed, let the children grow, one day the whole world will know. Freedom chant we are singing loud, no change from we soul, no fear in a crowd. From Trenchtown to Ethiopia land, raise your fist, let the drums command. Freedom chant, let the people rise, wipe the tears from the children's eyes. Though the road long and mountain high, with Jah by our side, we will never die.
Drums beating like a thunder in my chest, ancestors whisper, child, do your best. Africa calling through the wind and rain, time to break the invisible chain. Them say peace, but them deal with gun. Them say love, but them build prison. But we bring truth like the morning sun, till every last battle won.
No, chant down Babylon,
shut them down till the morning comes.
stand up everyone, one heart, one soul, we strong.
Africa, we home again.
Mama Africa, heal the pain.
We rise like the bright red flame.
Freedom chant we are singing loud, no chains pon we soul, no fear in a crowd. From Cape Coast Castle to Zion Sound, lift your voice, let the message stand. Freedom chant, let the people rise, fire burn all the hate and lies. Though night dark and cold we cry, sun a shine in a morning sky. Whoa. Freedom chant, yeah. Jah guide me, no chain can bind me. Walking free, spiritually. Raindrops fall upon the window pane, still your love wash away my pain. Rub-a-dub love, soft rain falling in the midnight hour. You pull me close like a tropical flower. No fancy ring, no gold to show, but your heartbeat tell me all I need to know. Life hard sometimes, bills pile high, but when you smile, my spirit fly. You say, baby, love will find a way, and all my troubles slowly fade away. Hold me tight in the gentle rain, your touch heal me deepest pain. No matter storm or hurricane, you and I remain. Loving at the rubber of rain, you soothe my soul, erase the pain. No diamond, no fortune, no fame, still I whisper softly your name. Loving at the rubber of rain, like reggae rhythm, sweet and plain. In your arms I will remain, forever in this rubber of rain. Lightning flash across the cloudy sky, but in your eyes I see sunshine. We dance slow, barefoot on the floor. No music playing, but we still want more. Kiss on your lips tastes like sugar. sugar cane, warm like the fire in a bamboo flame. People search the world for something true, but all I want is right here, me and you. Rain keep falling but me don't care, long as your fingers run through me hair. Let the world run wild out there, we got love to share. Loving out the rubber dub rain.
You ease my soul, you heal the pain.
Like reggae drum in a gentle refrain, we beat together, same heart, same lane. Loving out the rubber dub rain.
You ease my soul, you heal the pain.
Like reggae drum in a gentle refrain, we beat together, same heart, same lane. Them say love is a weakness, but no, love is the strongest fire we know. Rain might fall, river might overflow, but when two hearts beat as one, love still grows.
Soft chant,
Rubber dub rain.
baby don't let go.
Rubber dub rain.
Love will overflow.
Loving out the rubber dub rain. From Kingston streets to London train. If the world should cause us pain, we'll rise again in rubber dub rain. Fall, love call. You and I stand tall. Rubber dub rain. Rubber dub rain. Choo choo choo, the train of justice is coming. All aboard if you're tired of the system running. Nobody left behind, no matter color or name. This is the freedom train. They put chains round our hand, chains round our mind. Teach we fi follow, never ask, never find. But truth is a fire that Babylon can't kill. It rise in the mountains, it flow through the hills. Mama cry tears on the broken floor. Society rich while the poor want more. Still we chant down fear, chant down pain, waiting for the sound of the freedom train. Open your eyes, my brother. No man should rule over another. Let the lion roar again. Time to ride. The freedom train is rolling. No more chain controlling. From Trenchtown Plains to Soweto land. No guns, no war, only Jaja plan. Freedom train is rolling. No more chain controlling. From Trenchtown Plains to Soweto land. No guns, no war, only Jaja plan. Freedom train. Alaba, don't you delay. Justice come fi light the way. Hear the whistle through the rain. Stand tall, ride the freedom train. Politicians talk but them words so cheap. While mama work hard, barely get no sleep. Youth on the corner with no food to eat. Still Jah drum beat inna them heartbeat. They try to divide us by color and name. Black, white, brown, but our blood the same. So we break down walls, tear down the chain, and walk together to the freedom train.
Do you hear it? Yes, I hear it. Do you feel it? Yes, I feel it.
Jaja calling every nation again. Come ride the freedom train is rolling. No more chain controlling. From Kingston town to Zimbabwe plain. Wave your flag but keep your name. Freedom train is rolling. No more chain controlling. From Kingston town to Zimbabwe plain. Wave your flag but keep your name.
I don't want peace without justice. I don't want freedom for just one man. Freedom is the breath of humanity, yeah. And every man will to stand.
Freedom, freedom, ride on, ride on.
Freedom train is rolling.
Take the children home.
No one left in the streets alone.
From Addis Ababa to Rio Grande, people hold each other hand in hand. Freedom train, can't stop the flame. Shall I guide the holy name? Through the fire, through the pain, still we ride. Freedom train, choo choo. When the world feels dark and heavy and the road is full of stone, just lift your eyes to the morning sky. You'll see you're not alone. I've been down to the valley of pain, but I kept walking in the rain. Cause every tear, every scar I've known led me back to Zion home. Run to the light, don't you fear the night. Jah will hold your hand till morning bright. Climb every hill, even when you're tired. Hope is the spark that sets your soul on fire. Run to the light, oh child of the storm. Mama on a king, you were never torn, yeah. They may laugh, they may doubt you, but don't let their poison drown you. Remember what Mama said with grace. Child, you're blessed by the Ancient of Days. In your heart lives a sacred drum, beating loud, saying better days come. No chain of sorrow can hold you still, not while your love is living within. Baba, Baba, Nishi Kemko, no. Lead me through the fire, help me stand. Run to the light, don't you fear the night. Jah will hold your hand till morning bright. Climb every hill, even when you're tired. Hope is the spark that sets your soul on fire. Run to the light, oh child of the storm. You were born a king, you were never torn, yeah.
Candle, praying through the gloom. She said, child, even when the night feel long, remember every tear can become a freedom song. Daddy gone, but his voice live in our breeze. Stand tall even when you don't on your knees. So me wipe me eyes, step into the sun, cause the journey hard, but me not run. Every broken heart can rise again. Every lonely night must meet the dawn. Jah never leave you in a deep pain. Hold on strong, keep moving on. Tears turn to freedom, cries turn to song. What was weak yesterday Trenchtown streets to Cape Town sky. We lift with voice, with spirit high. Tears turn to freedom, no more chains. Love wash away the deepest stains. Hold the fire, keep it burning bright, till the whole world step into the light. Me see youths them fight just to survive. Me see hope in the little child eyes. Them barefoot, but them still dance in rain. Teach the world how to smile through pain. Africa drums calling, come back home. Jamaican breeze, home in ancient tone. Every tribe, every heart, every land, be the rhythm of one mighty hand. Oh, Jah, guidance, guide we steps through the storm and silence. Oh, Mama Africa, we feel your love in the drum and fire. No more sorrow. Tomorrow brighter than today, we know. One heart, one road, we go. We go. Tears turn to freedom. No more fear. Jah whisper healing in the air. From ghetto corners to mountain top, we rise up, never stop. Tears turn to freedom, hand in hand, one blood, one love across the land. Oh, the world try break we down, still we crown with Zion sound. Freedom coming in the morning light. Wipe your tears, everything alright. Jah love carry we through the fight, till darkness fade out of sight.
Soft wind blowing through your hair, your laughter floating in the air. The world fades when I hold you near. Nothing but your heartbeat in my ear. Stay with me under the moonlight. Let the stars be our guide tonight. No rush, no fight, just you and me, wrapped in love and harmony. Hold me Your eyes like fire, your soul like rain. You wash my sorrow, you ease my pain. Girl, you're the blessing from Jah above. Me find my peace in your tender love. No diamond shine like the light you bring. Every time you smile, me heart starts sing. Me say, baby, don't you ever go astray, 'cause your love guide we every day. When the storm come crash and the night get cold, we hold each other, never lose control. It's a sweet melody of your love, flowing down from the stars above. Every heartbeat, every breath we take is a song of love that Jah create. Sweet melody of your love, like a dove flying over the sky above. No fear, no hate can tear apart this love that live inside we are. Me remember when my life feel dry, you bring the water, you make me high. Your voice like sunshine after rain, it heal my wounds, it ease my pain. You teach me patience, you teach me grace. In your arms me find my place. No silver, no gold can buy this way. Jah know me love you every day. So let the rhythm play slow and long. We sway together to just sweet song. Through this struggle, me not complain, 'cause love like ours never go in vain. And sweet melody of your love, blessed from the heavens above. Through the fire, through the rain, our heartbeat one again. No sweet melody of your love, we rise like morning dove. No chain, no wall can break this love Jah himself create. Jah loving our soul tonight. Shine your light, oh Jah light. When darkness come, we still hold tight, 'cause love is strong. Jah make it right. All together, one flame, one destiny. You and I, Jah harmony. And sweet melody of Jah love, rising high like morning dove. Let the trumpet sing, let the drums play on, 'cause this love will never done. And sweet melody of Jah love, flow like river, pure and tough. Forever yours, forever true. Jah bless the love between me and you. Sweet melody, Jah love within we. Oh, in every breath, in every seed, sweet melody of Jah love, forever flow from above. Oh, again. Yeah. She tell me love ain't easy, it's a battlefield. Me smile and say, still my heart won't yield. We're fighting not with gun or knife, but truth and love, it changed the life. Me see our tears, me wipe them away. Tell our baby we'll rise someday. This love ain't soft, it's a rebel fire. Burn Babylon lies with your desire. Rebel of love, me fight with heart so pure. Stand tall in truth, me soul secure. No gun, no hate, just faith above me and you. The rebel of love, rebel of love. wrong. But when me see your eyes so bright, me know just send you for me light. Love ain't weak, it's revolution, breaking down the institution. We chant for freedom hand in hand. Love, go change the land. Every kiss a promise we make, every touch a chain we break. Me no need gold nor fame above, me need only truth and love. Rebel of love, hear me call, Jah guide, we stand through it all. My heart on fire, me rise above forever. Rebel of love, rebel of love, hear me call, Jah guide, we stand through it all. My heart on fire, me rise above forever. Rebel of love, Ubuntu, brother, love again. One heart, one soul, no chain. Freedom song we carry high. Jah love never die. Beat the drum, raise the voice. Rebel of love, we make the choice. No more fear, no more pain. Love reign again. Yeah, rebel of love, shine like fire. Lift the people from the Maya, from Trenchtown to Nairobi sky. Jah love never die. Rebel of love, rise so strong, beat of the heart, eternal song. No matter what them speak above, we live and die as rebel of love. Me and you, hand in hand, love rebuild the broken land. Rebel of love, we won't give up, cause Jah pour the blessing in our cup, prosper. Rebel of love. Yeah, rebel of love. Mama Africa, why you cry? Why you cry? Oh, she wake up before the sunrise, carry water with tear-stained eyes. Children barefoot on the broken clay, still sing songs to chase the pain away. Bullet holes in her ancient walls, echo of freedom in the market calls. She fed the world with a golden land, yet she trembled with empty hands. Oh mama, wipe your tears tonight. Your light will chase away the night. From Sahara winds to Cape Coast Sea, your heart still beat for humanity. Mama Africa, why you cry tonight? Children hungry, no food in sight, but we sing Amandla, Umoja unite. Hold on tight, we'll make it right. Mama Africa, don't you fade away. Your drums still beat when we kneel and pray. From Addis Ababa to Montego Bay, our spirit live, it will never decay. Rich men dine in the city lights, while your people shiver to the coldest nights. Politicians talk with a silver tongue, but no bread reach the old nor young. Still I see hope in the dancers' feet, and still I hear love in the reggae beat. Every dreadlock man, every Rasta child, carry your story in a heart so wild. Don't lose faith, mama, hear this song. Even broken wings can fly along. From the ashes of pain and crime, Jah will heal you in His time. Mama Africa, why you cry tonight? Why you cry? Why you cry? Children hungry, no food in sight. Stand as one, stand as one. But we sing Amandla, Umoja unite. Stand as one, stand and hold on tight, we'll make it right. sun, no more life, no disguise. Open up your conscience eyes. Justice on the front line, we're standing tall. No retreat, no surrender, we won't fall. Human rights can be bought or sold. Blaze the truth, let the fire unfold. Justice on the front line, we're standing tall. No retreat, no surrender, we won't fall. Human rights can be bought or sold. Blaze the truth, let the fire unfold. They build walls made of fear and greed, while the hungry cry out for a piece of bread to eat. I raise my voice like a soldier's drum, cause the revolution time has come. Oppression must burn like the morning mist. Equal rights is the message in my fist. No chains can hold this rebel soul. We marching on till the story's told, yeah. Justice on the front line, we're standing tall. No retreat, no surrender, we won't fall. Human rights can be bought or sold. Blaze the truth, let the fire unfold. Justice on the front line. From the dust of broken town, people cry but still stand strong. Babylon a push we down, but the heart keep beating on. Mama said, child, no let the fire in your soul. For every chain them try for bind, your light will take control. Children barefoot in the street, sing a song of better days. Elders whisper ancient prayers in 1,000 humble ways. Though the night feel long and cold, we not bow to fear or pain, cause the spirit of the ancestors still running through we veins. Hear the drum beat on the wind, calling I and I again. Stand together hand in hand, break the invisible chain. No matter tribe, no matter skin, we all bleed the same red. So lift your voice up to the sky, let the fire spread. Rise up, oh lion now. Burning flame we cannot part. From Africa to island shore, we stronger than we were before. One love, one blood, one destiny. No hatred, no more enemy. Jah guide we spirit through the storm. Together we rise, together we born, yeah. Together we born, together we born. Oh yeah. Peter Tosh says stand firm for your right. Bob Marley chant one love tonight. Loki Dube cry out prisoner of war. Steel pulse beat the drum of hope once more. We carry them voice like sacred flame. Each generation call your name. Even if the system try to blind we sight, truth shine deeper than the night. No more brother fight, brother sister quarrel in vain. We not divide by color, by language or name. Africa heartbeat in a reggae sound. From Kingston streets to Cape Town ground, burning spear in a breeze still blow. Marcus Garvey words must grow. Rise up, rise apart. Hold the line, don't lose the faith. Jah timing never come too late. One tribe, one voice, unity. Drum of freedom set we free. Though the world still full of pain, together we rise again. Drum a beat for the fallen brave. We remember from slave ship tears to the freedom way. We surrender never, never. Lift your fists high, let the fire ignite. In a Jah love we win this fight. Oh, spirit of the lion roar. We not bow down no more. Rise up, oh lion heart. From the ashes we depart. Carry hope like morning sun, till the battle day is won. One word, one soul, unity. We plant the seeds of harmony. No weapon, no chain can break the burning love that we create. Oh, rise up, oh, guide us home. One love, one heart, we are never alone. Your love is my sunrise. Jah guide my
from the valley low to the mountain high. Promise, morning come after night, and the sun will rise again. Wipe the tears and dry the rain. Even when the world feels cold, hold on to your soul, be bold. Yes, the sun will rise again. Every trouble has an end. From the ashes life remains, and the sun will rise again. Oh, trouble come like a river wide, but don't let it wash away your pride. You're stronger than the storm you face. You're a warrior, child of grace. They might laugh when you fall to the ground, but every king once wore a thorny crown. Every flower bloom after the rain. Every smile was once born from pain. Stand up, my friend, don't lose your way. Blessings come for those who pray. Even if your heart feels faint, Jah never give you more than you can take. And the sun will rise again, after hurt, after strain. Don't you let your spirit change. Jah light always remain. You may feel like giving up, you may feel like the world not care, but hear me now. A seed must go down in a darkness before it push to the light and bloom. So don't give up, your sunrise soon. Rise again, rise again, rise again. No chains, no pain can hold you down. Yes, the sun will rise again. Hear the drum, feel the chain break. Friend, from Kingston town to Berlin land, hope will always remain. Sun will rise again, don't you cry no more. Open up your heart, open up the door. From the river to the plain, I promise, sun will rise again. Rise again. Oh, Jah light, shine bright tonight.
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Down by the lane where the youth still play, echo of drum on the golden day. Me hear the rhythm of my mama's song. Hold your faith, son, stay strong. Smoke up the herb, rise up to the sky. Old man home while the children cry. Life so rough yet we carry on. Under the sunset of Trench Town. Sunset over Trench Town. Fire in the sky. Jah bless the people who never say goodbye. From pain to love we build our sound. Under the sunset in a Trench Town ground. Oh, hey. Oh, yeah. Sunset over Trench Town. Rhythm so sweet. Love and struggle where the heart still beat. No matter how Babylon come around, we still rise. Trench Town sound. Oh yeah, Trench Town. Oh, you see me brother strum the guitar tight, singing freedom tune deep in the night. My sister dance with the candle flame. Say one heart, one blood, one name. Every tear become a melody. Every fight write our history. From the ghetto come the crown. We kings and queens of Trench Town. Sunset over Trench Town. Light in the breeze. the seas. No more chain, no more bound. We free in the sunset of Trench Town. Oh, yeah, yeah. Oh, Umoja, unity forever. People rise together, together. From Kingston to Accra, one love, conquer all. Drum beat up, the spirit respond. From the earth to sky beyond, we feel the ancestors sing around. Bless the sunset over Trench Town. Sunset over Trench Town. Fire in the heart, roots and love, that's where we start. Music heals, your love surround. Peace and pride in a Trench Town sound. Sunset over Trench Town, burning gold. Story of the people strong and bold. From the struggle to the crown, Jah light shine on Trench Town. Oh, yeah. Trench Town. Oh. Me walk again by the sandy street, heartbeat echo with the drum beat. Children laugh, elders pray. Sunset bless another day. Trench Town, live forever. Oh. Your mama hum me ancient song, say old faith child, stay strong. Road dusty but me march again, through the fire, through the pouring rain. Them try fi chain, but me heart no tame, cause a warrior of light must remain. No mama say no fear,
My sun star shine brightest when I come. Lift your voice, let the whole earth hear. Jah never far, Jah always near.
I am a warrior of the light, just soldier in the fight. Through the darkness of the night, the spirit still burn bright. No chains can hold me soul, no system take control. From Africa to the world, me carry Jah love unfold.
Warrior of the light, we chant for truth and right. Raise your hand if you believe one love can end the fight.
No Babylon a pressure, Jah love are the treasure. Stand tall, me brother, lightly forever. And me see youths with no shoes, yet them still dance. And me see tears in a mama eyes, still she give life a chance.
Politician promise, but them break every plan. So we build hope in a song like a true Rastaman.
From Kingston streets to Nairobi land,
From Soweto Christ to Zion sand.
we sing freedom like the beating drum, till every last chain undone.
Hey, Jah, Jah.
Hey, Jah, Jah, stop the way we go.
Oh, Mama Africa.
Your spirit now we flow.
Warriors stand up now.
No retreat, no bow.
Fire of love, let it glow, let it glow. I am a warrior of the light, heart blazing in the night. Though the world full of war and spite, we choose the path of right. No weapon formed shall win. Love break every sin. Rasta spirit deep within. Freedom where we begin.
Warrior of the thunder roll across the plain. Voice of the ancestors call me name. Say, son of Zion, stand up tall. No matter how many times you fall. Me rise from dust, me wash me pain. With the fire of truth flow through my vein. The system try to break me down, but my spirit wear the lion crown. Rise of the lion, roar so loud. Break the chain, we stand so proud. No fear, no tear, Jah by my side. Rise of the lion, let love be the guide. Rise of the lion, strong and free. Roots of the people from sea to sea. Jah light shine, we can't divide. Rise of the lion, worldwide. Africa calling, I'm a dream last night. Come home, my child, time to unite. Me feel the drum beat deep in our bone. Ancestors tell me you're never alone. They fight we with gun, they fight we with law, but they can't stop the truth me saw. Me chant down Babylon every dawn till righteousness reborn. Jah give me vision, Jah give me word. Lion roar, the whole world learn. Freedom song from Kingston sound. Rebel hearts all gather round. Rise of the lion, burn the lies. Open your heart, open your eyes. We are the people, never bow down. Rise of the lion, wear your crown. Wear your crown. Simone, yeah. Rise up, children of the sun. Ubuntu, Jah fire, keep the spirit bright. Drum talk, me hear it call. No man greater, we all stand tall. Roots so deep, can't tear down. Lion rise, reclaim the crown. Rise of the lion, roar again. Freedom flow in every vein. From Jamaica to motherland shore. Love and justice evermore. Rise of the lion, Jah bless the sound. Truth and strength in every ground. We chant tonight till morning light. Lion rise in Jah's side. Oh, lion roar
For the children of Zion once more.
oh, rise, oh, lion rise. Let your fire light up the skies. Whoa. Oh, lion. Da, 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 da. Oh, no. Voices in my head keep telling me to quit. World is heavy and the pain don't fit. But I hear a heartbeat louder than the fear. Reggae rhythm whisper, love is always here. Boy, raise your hands, let the sun shine in. Every ending is a place to begin. Even when the night is long and cold, sing your song, let your spirit unfold. Keep the fire burning, don't let it die. Even when the tears fall from your eyes, hold on to hope, don't lose your light. Jah Jah will guide you through the night. Keep the fire burning, keep your soul alive. Every heartbeat says survive. Stand tall, don't stop, keep turning. Keep the fire burning. Oh, keep the fire burning. Oh, walking through the streets with no gold to show. But I've got love and that's enough to grow.
tree. Waves are singing melodies to me. Sunset colors paint the sky. A quiet place where troubles die. Take me to the island of peace, where the war in my mind can cease. Lay my fears on the sandy shore. I don't wanna fight no more. Palm trees swaying in the breeze. Nature whispers soft and free. Hear the heartbeat of the sea, calling you and calling me. Let the storm fade away, let the night turn to day. Every soul needs a place where the light meets grace. Island of peace, set me free, where my heart's meant to be. Island of peace, set me free, where my heart's meant to be.
Mama cry, drum beat echo from the mountain lion. Ubuntu, one love, no deny. Rise up, people, open your eye. Hear the river crying down the valley low. Trees whisper secrets only ancient spirits know. Mama earth is bleeding, she calling out in pain. But Babylon keep taking no shelter from the rain. Ubuntu, we are one, no bother, no divide. Same blood in our veins, same ocean tide. From Kingston streets to Soweto sky, we stand as one, we never say die. Rise up for Mama Earth. Stop the burning, stop the earth. From Trenchtown roots to Nairobi sun, we are one people, we shall overcome. Rise up, hear the heartbeat drum. No more silence, time for overcome. Children barefoot in a desert sand, searching for water with empty hands. Still them smile, still them sing just song. Even when the nights feel cool and long. Jambo Rafiki, peace to the land. Hold my heart in your hand. We plant the seeds of love in us all. Watch it grow, despite the tide. Rise up for Mama Earth. Heal the land, give it worth. From Addis Ababa to Spanish Town, when people, when life beat them down. No matter what Babylon try, them can't kill the spirit of the lion. Africa rise, Jamaica rise, the whole world stand tall. I was born in a place where the rain don't stop, but hope still grow like a small tree top. System rough, but we still survive, cause we carry lion heart deep inside. Mama pray, Moyo Imara stay strong, even when the night feel too long. From Kingston town to Nairobi street, we drum the rhythm of a rebel heartbeat. Them build walls, we break them down. Them wear fake gold, we wear Jack crown. No matter the pressure, no matter the fight, just sun still rise in the morning light. Lion heart freedom beat like a drum, fire in our soul, no more we run. Stand up tall, warriors of the land, hold your flame in your hand. From Trenchtown to Nigeria, we chant to Rufi Africa. No chain, no fear can tear we apart, cause we walk with a lion heart. Them steal we gold, them steal we name, but they can't steal the eternal flame. Hear the voices in the desert wind, Baba Yetu, let freedom begin. So I put my fist to the blazing sky and shout, Jah live, we never die. Even if the road is long and steep, the roots of truth run oh so deep. Who will fight for the youth them soul? We will fight till the final goal. Who will rise when the night get cold? We stand firm, we brave, we bold. Lion heart freedom beat like a drum, fire in our soul, no more we run. Stand up tall, warriors of the land, hold your flame in your hand. From Trenchtown, Wood, Nigeria, we chant to Rufi Africa. No chain, no fear can tear we apart, cause we walk with a lion heart. Hey. I say, one people, one destiny. Jah Rastafari. Me wake up with the sunrise glow, hear the birds them sing, feel the river flow. Me spirit whisper, don't you fear, Jah light shine bright, it's always here. Inna the struggle me find me peace, inna the storm me find release. Though the world so cold, me soul still warm, cause Jah protect me from every harm. Light of Jah rising over the mountain high, wash away the darkness, open every eye. Peace and love in every nation, guided by Jah revelation. Light of Jah rising, burning on my soul. Give the people strength to make them whole. From Kingston town to Africa shore, Jah light forevermore. Whoa. Me see the youth them lost in a war, searching for hope but gone too far. Me tell them look within your heart, that's where Jah fire start. No matter the color, no matter the creed, one blood, one world, one seed. Love and truth the only plan. Jah create woman and man. Hold up your head, me brother, me sister. Don't let Babylon twist ya. Jah give you life, Jah give you song. Stand tall, you've been strong too of Jah rising high in the sky. Bless the children, never let them cry. Every beat of the drum, every chant we sing is a prayer to Jah, our King. Light of Jah rising, shine on the way. Lead us out of night into brighter day. Roots so deep, spirit strong. Jah love carry we along. Thank you, Lord. Me heart and soul restored. Umoja for life, peace we trod. Guided by the hand of Jah God. I rise up now, oh children of light. Jah love make everything right. Africa drum beat the call. Light of Jah shining for all. Light of Jah rising, burn so bright. Forevermore. Let Jah light guide your way. Every night, every day, every night, every day. Me feel it deep, me heart no lie. Jah sun still shine across the sky. The morning breeze, me hear a drum from far away, beating like the heartbeat of the earth and clay. Mama whispers, son, the world can change today if we all up tight and never stray. Children barefoot on the dusty lane, singing songs of hope to hunger pain. Africa cry, Jamaica feel the same. Different land, but the blood one flame. Hand in hand, no matter the skin. Black, brown, white, Jah dwell within. Hear the river, it start to sing. Love is the only win. One drum, one soul, one beating heart. Though we miles apart, we are one from the start. Raise your voice, let the whole world know. Love is the fire that forever glow. One drum, one soul, no chains tonight. We chant for peace and human right. From Kingston town to Mali sand, unity of the law of Jalan. Elders say, history carved in stone and tears, but courage born from struggling years. Fire burn, but spirit stay strong. That's why we sing this freedom song. Me see soldier with gun in hand, me see youth them still pray for land. But me know deep in every man, Jah plan love like a grain of sand. Oh, Mama Africa, feel the breeze by my face. Mama praying in a silence, Jah guide them with grace. Road rough but me trod with a heart full of fire. No chains for me spirit, only dreams getting higher. Me hear the drum from Africa calling me name. From Kingston to Lagos, we all feel the same. People crying but still we sing through the pain. Cause the rain never stopped the sunlight from rain. Oh mama, don't you cry no more. Better days knocking at the door. We've been down on the dusty floor, but we rise once more. Rise up in the morning sun. Jah Jah bless every daughter and son. We not give up till the victory come. Heart strong, spirit like the beating drum. Rise up, no matter the fight. Hold tight, keep your faith in a light. From trenches to mountains high, we go shine like stars in a night sky. Children barefoot on the red dirt ground, still laughing though hunger around. Africa me blood, Jamaica me song. We've been broken but we stay strong. Politicians chat but action slow. Still the youth them ready fi grow. Plant the seed of love, let the river flow. Teach the world what the elders know. Respond to the star tonight. One love, make the people unite. No change can hold down a free soul life. Oh, Africa, calling back we to the roots, alright. Rise up in the morning sun. Drum a beat and the freedom come. From Trench Town straight to Cape Town slum. Unity are the anthem where we home. Rise up, holy fire high. No more tears in a mama eye. Star may blow but the spirit fly. We were born to rise, never die. Rise up, Jah light a guide we step. Ooh, no fear, no fret, till the last sunset. Jah Jah warrior, stand tall, stand firm. No matter storm, no matter burn. Roots and culture shall return. From the dust of Africa, me ancestors' eyes. Through the pain and the fire, still wisdom in their eyes. Babylon try break we with chain and gun, but the spirit of the lion can't be overrun. Walk barefoot on the sacred ground, hear the heartbeat of the drum, that thunder sound. Me carry history in every vein, me soul no bow to Babylon chain. Stand firm, Rasta man, don't lose your way. Even when the night swallow up the day, hold the torch, let your spirit burn. One day to Zion we shall return. Roots warrior, carry the flame. Call upon Jah, no fear, no shame. Stand strong in the lion's name. Never play the Babylon game. Roots warrior, heart of steel. Faith in Jah is the shield we wield. From the hills to the battlefield, truth is the weapon one we reveal. They laugh when you rise and cheer when you fall, but the righteous never crumble, we answer your call. System push you down, try mash your pride, but a true warrior fight with Jah by his side. Me see my brother in chains of poverty, me see my sister cry silently. So I chant psalms we break the spell, let the trumpet of freedom ring like bell. No retreat, no surrender. Jah love make the heart grow tender, but don't mistake kindness for weakness. Roots warrior stand in the heat, yes. Roots warrior carry the flame. Stand strong in all the lion's name. Roots warrior carry the flame. Stand strong in all the lion's name. Emancipate yourself from mental slavery. Bob Marley chant, none but ourselves can free our mind. Peter Tosh cry, equal rights and justice. So we stand as warriors of roots and never resign. Warrior, warrior, now you're being fire. No chains, no liar. Jah take we higher. Roots warrior, heart full of fire. Drum beat rise like a holy choir. From Kingston town to the banks of Nile, warriors march every step, every mile. Roots warrior, don't die inside, even when Babylon collide. We no run, we no hide. Jah warriors stand with pride. Since the day I saw your smile,